Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi 12 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So, firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have, and take the toothbrush or any else household items in your hand. So remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. So insert one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.